right here. Good view right here. Lean on the rail. Yeah, you're good. You're fine. We're all over.
Oh, you found us. You go, Grant? Here we go. Look, Liz.
Hey.
Okay. Okay, I'll do it.
I think this may be an extra show.
Wow.
Understand what's going on. It's supposed to be at 11. They must be doing an extra show, maybe? Alright. Everybody, thanks for joining. Let's get those likes up. I'd like to get as many likes as I can. I thought this show started at 11. I think that may have just been a special 10:30 show. It's normally on the hour.
All that infrared coming off of there.
I'm gonna ask my wife to look it up and see if there's like an extra show going on tonight. That's what I think, Adam. I think there's another one at 11. That's the final one. I didn't think they normally had one at 10:30. I thought it was every hour. 8, 9, 10, and 11.
What are they going to blow the ships up and stuff?
I hope the one at 11's like an extended show. That's what I'm hoping. Yeah, it is sad, but you know, I think the Hard Rock's going to be a good addition up here. You know, hopefully we'll see how it turns out. I think a big giant guitar on the strip is going to be a pretty amazing feature. Thanks everyone for joining. Stick around for about 25 minutes the next show. So, you know, let's share this. Let's get as many people viewing this last show. You know. Let's get that like button. Start pressing that like button, share button. So we were inside earlier, and it is like a madhouse in there. They have probably about 75% of the slot machines are turned off. You got people waiting for people to get up off the slot machines. I believe they gave all the jackpot money away. Today was the last day for that. All right, thanks for sharing the live. We got about 25 minutes, I guess, before the next show, which will be the final show. So let all your friends, all your Vegas buddies, let everyone who enjoys coming out here and didn't get a chance to see it. Maybe they skipped it the last time they were out here. All right. If you're at the Parish, you got about, you could probably make it up here to see the last show. 'cause yeah, the other day when they were doing that jackpot giveaway, because they had to give away like $1.7 million in the progressive jackpots, it was complete insanity in there. People weren't even getting up from the machine to go to the bathroom. I heard it was people fighting, family members staking out, taking turns, craziness.
Eruption?
11 o'clock is going to be the last.
11 o'clock's the last one.
The last one ever.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm a local.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So are we.
My car broke down. I need a new fuel pump. I took the bus down here because I had to get here. I was here when it opened.
Okay. Where? Yeah. Really.
I remember. Right there.
There?
Right there. I was
That's-
about a foot away from the front doors.
Oh, wow.
And 11 o'clock in the morning, pandemonium.
Is that why they're doing their closing ceremony at 11? Okay.
I just, nobody'd ever seen anything like this.
No, this was when we lived out here in '97.
I moved here in 88.
In '88, okay. We lived in here in '97 for like a year, and then we moved back east.
I'm from West Virginia. Where are you from?
We're from Pennsylvania, Philadelphia.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. And my wife, when she was 13, came out here for a family vacation, and I guess that was probably like '91, something like that. And she fell in love with it. It was like, I gotta live there,
Right?
And it's like we came out in '97. She went to UNLV for a while, and then it's like we lived down at Twain and Swenson, and she worked up here, so I used to walk right down Twain.
Yeah.
And every night I would watch the Buccaneer show, and then catch this, and then
Pick her up.
the fountains. She worked at GameWorks, which is down by New York. Yeah. And so I would hit every show going down the strip. It was like, man, this is like nightly entertainment. It was like,
That's what I mean. It was.
And to be honest, the 10 o'clock show, when that was over, I was like, oh man, there's one left. So that was like a bonus, that last one. So,
Yeah, I gotta.
He's gonna go big fire.
now we got,
So you think this is the best vantage point?
yeah, it's,
Because I took some footage across the street when I got off the bus there at Harris.
yeah, last week, the last time we were up here, we stood directly across where we're at. But this, you feel the heat,
Yeah. And see, that was another thing.
Yeah.
You would not believe it. Standing in line to see the show.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, standing room only.
I mean, I remember, maybe my memory's wrong, but I thought more of the lake lit up years
I thought
ago.
but you know what? When the flames would come out more,
Yeah.
they had more gas jets.
Yeah, okay.
And so the lagoon looked like it was on
Yeah.
fire too.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, because it kind of like just floated, looked like it was floating across the top of the water.
And it would just,
Yeah,
And it,
yeah.
and it was like, almost like it was on fire. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like that.
Yeah.
I think I remember reading years ago that they were revamping it and they had to move the gas jets or something.
I mean, it was always like, it was like I would just walk down, cross over, catch the Buccaneer show. That was,
Believe me, I had anybody who came to town, I got to see the volcano.
Yeah,
I got to
yeah.
see the pirates.
Yeah.
I mean, that was it.
I mean, the fountain show is nice. Depending on the music they have with it, it really, sometimes you're like,
Right, I know. But I think because this was first.
Yeah.
This started it.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah. I mean, that was back when they were marketing Vegas as like family friendly. They had the amusement park at MGM.
And I was there the opening day for the amusement park.
Oh man,
It
okay.
was crazy.
Yeah.
We were on all the rides. My boyfriend and I at the time, we were like, can you believe this is on the strip?
That's awesome.
It was. I mean,
Yeah.
I got good memories.
Oh
But
yeah.
I have a question though, because the Mirage sign is over on that other side. I'm wondering if that wouldn't be a good view.
Yeah, I think there's a sign right, I think, on the other side of the volcano. Yeah, that is a good viewpoint. And
Can I ask you a favor? I'm gonna go and just take a picture with that Mirage while it's still lit up.
okay.
And just-
Yeah, sure.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, no problem. How long until the show? About 15 minutes. Tuesday, they close the Mirage tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. is a closing ceremony, and I do not believe they are having the everything's closed. No more Volcano after tonight. So we got about 16, 15, 16 minutes until the last show. It's they just gave us a is it 1 p.m.? Okay. Maybe I'm wrong. Thank you for the gifts. Right. Thank you for the gifts. I really appreciate it. We can get this shared. Get some more people on here. Let's hit that like button. Let's get those likes up there. I was trying for 10,000 the last one, but I was on for a lot longer. So where are we at now? Let's go for like 3,000 likes by the end of the show. Think we can do that? That's only what, about 2,100 likes.
Right here.
I think you guys got it there. All right, thank you for the rose, 710 suited. I appreciate it. Yeah, there's a pretty good crowd up on the strip, both sides of the strip. There's people over by Casino Royale, the Walgreens stand out there. I can spin around. We got people coming out of the front doors at the Mirage now. The last show was a really good amount. The 9 o'clock show when I got up here a couple minutes. Got up here right as it started, and the strip was packed. I'm probably going to make a clip of that, post that on my page. So give me a follow so you can see it. All right, thank you for the sunglasses. Will come in handy tomorrow. The Mirage is closing tomorrow, either 11 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Somebody can confirm that. It's going to start in about 13 minutes. Oh, we're up at a 2K. All right. Look at that. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Smashing. Maybe we should go for 5K before the end of the show. That would be crazy. All right, thank you guys for following. A little bit about my page. We come up here, my wife and I, probably a couple times a week. And we get our steps in. We walk around, just, show you guys what's going on. I know a lot of people love Vegas. It's like a second home to them. Would move here in a heartbeat if they could, but can't. And we were fortunate enough to be able to do that. So we like to just walk around and show you guys what's going on out here. Maybe do a restaurant review here and there. Things like that. So, follow me if you want to see what's going on in Vegas, just from like a point of view. This is about as close as you can get to the volcano. We are standing right outside the entry doors where the taxis and everything used to come at the Mirage. The volcano is probably 40 feet away from me. You can really feel it throw the heat off, especially at the end. Much better vantage point than the strip. Look at all them lights flying. I really appreciate you guys. 10 minutes? Yep, 10 minutes. Let's go. It's going to be a long 10 minutes. Oh wow, we're going to smash 5,000. Let's just keep going. What is it, 7,500?
But the water's making, what is this like called? What is it?
I think like 9,200 is the most likes I've ever gotten. I've only been doing lives for about a week now, so I wonder if we can get over 9,200. That would be sweet. You guys are putting in the work there. Thank you. Yeah, let's share. Let's get our friends watching. You know, get your followers watching. You know, this is it. This is the end of a legendary attraction on the Las Vegas Strip. Everybody, when they came to Vegas, said, "I got to see the volcano. Got to see the volcano." You know, made special trips to see it. You know, so at the end of the day, you know, it's a little bittersweet, but this strip is ever changing, and you know, I'm excited to see this big giant guitar-shaped hotel. Yeah, no more free show here. I mean, we still got the Bellagio fountain. I think a lot of people are gonna miss it. So they're rebranding. They're going to become the Hard Rock. Now, if you remember the Hard Rock, Las Vegas, which is now the Virgin Hotel, that was my favorite hotel. Yes, tonight is the last show. Actually, in 8 minutes, it's the last show. So I'm kind of really excited to see the Hard Rock back in Vegas. You know, the Hard Rock, originally here, the Hard Rock, a lot of special memories for me. That's where I got engaged. It's one of the first places I ever stayed, first place I ever gambled. So I'm glad I popped up on your FYP also. Hope you enjoy it. I think I got a really good angle here to show it. It's pretty much the same angle I had for the last two shows. Real close. Oh, 8.5. I think you guys are going to get me over that. We get to 9.5 likes. I think that definitely breaks my record. So let's just shoot for 10K. Let's shoot for 10K. I can feel it. I can feel the love. Man, I really appreciate you guys. Yeah, just left yesterday. Yeah, one last time. Next time you come out, it'll be the Hard Rock. We're under construction to be the Hard Rock. Oh, we hit 10K. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, I'm going to take all my lives and I'm going to post them onto my YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow that a little bit also. Yeah, I think they're gonna have rooms in the guitar too. I mean, you know, I'm for sure gonna miss this show. That's for sure. I'm just thinking even about what kind of amazing concerts are gonna be coming here. Oh, we're up over 11K. You guys are unbelievable. Thank you so much. All right, 5 minutes. I told you, this is going to be a long 5 minutes. Yeah, there's tons of people. You can kind of see them. You can't zoom in, but yes, it's the volcano. Yep, back in the late 90s. Last time we stayed here was, I think, 2021. We rented a room. I mean, we live out here, so but we still like to rent rooms up on the strip every once in a while. Pretend we're tourists. All right, Sean. Hey, are you on the strip side, Sean?
My days are going by too quickly. We only have 1 more day.
Oh, just under 14K. You guys are unbelievable. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think they use natural gas or propane or something for the fire. It starts in about 4 minutes. Yeah. Back when I lived here, back in the late 90s, I lived on the east side of town, not too far from the strip, and my wife worked at GameWorks, and I used to walk down Twain, see the Buccaneer show at Treasure Island, the Pirate show, then come see this, then just walk down there and see all the attractions. All right, so it's about to start. They got the birds chirping. You know, that's. If you've seen the show live, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to kind of shut up and let you guys hear it. Well, from Phoenix. We'll be in Phoenix, I think, end of the summer.
Stay on this side. Turn around. Look at me. I have the camera. That's why. Let's go. Here we go.
Yes, yes, this is the last show. That's it. That's a wrap. Yes, it is. Yeah, there's so many things they could have done for that. Hey, no problem. I appreciate it. These comments are flying by. I appreciate everybody joining in. All the likes, all the follows, the shares, the gifts. Appreciate it. People going back in to try to get their their seat at a slot machine, where most of them are shut off anyway. Hey, no problem. I'm glad I could share this with y'all. We are okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit of stroll around. I'll stay on for a little bit, and yeah, this was such a beautiful property. Yeah, Vegas vacation. That's a good one. Yeah, I'm going to download all these and put them on YouTube so people can see them. Let me see. We were inside of there earlier. Yeah, maybe we could take one final walkthrough. My wife's chit-chatting with some people, so we'll walk over here. I don't know what the guitar is going to offer. I mean, you know, I'm sure the hard rock's going to be pretty music eccentric, so we'll see. Walk through. Tell me on the way home.
We got, what do you call it? They gave us $20.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so this is where the closing ceremony is going to be tomorrow. I heard 11, somebody else said 1. I don't know. So if you're up here, look it up. I don't want to give you the wrong information. Let me go put this out. Mm-hmm. Where'd she go now? There we go. Oh, there she is. Lost my wife. I lost her. Yeah, the Beatles' final show, Cirque du Soleil Love, was July 6th. As you can see, all these slots are pretty much off. People sitting around, getting their last hurrah in. Let's walk over by the Beatles Theater. Give you one last walkthrough. Most of the table games are shut. Sports bar's open. Having a party at the center bar. If you need something to do when you're out here. I'm hoping the vibe is something like that when it becomes the Hard Rock and opens up. That's what I'm hoping. I think that'll be real exciting. So it closes officially tomorrow. Late morning, early afternoon. There's people waiting in the lines. They're sitting in chairs. A couple people commented earlier that they were here and there was no way they were going to get a seat at the slot machine. We got four people on one machine over there, all probably taking turns. So what they were doing, they had like $1.7 million in progressive jackpots they had to give out, and they were doing random drawings the past couple days. And you know, people were winning $40,000, $50,000, maybe more. I don't know. I just know it was like insanity when that was going on. Workers hugging each other. Got Santa even came. Santa saying bye. Christmas. Something like this. We're going to start heading out of here.
Just kind of relax a little bit.
I'm going to be working on getting tonight's lives of the final few shows on my YouTube. Yeah, the Tropicana closed earlier this year. We're gonna make way for the new A's. Yeah, maybe the Las Vegas A's baseball team's gonna play there in that spot. Still got tons of people coming in. You're very welcome, very welcome. Thank you for an amazing 34 years.
Yeah, sir. It won't stop here. Just keep
I mean, you know, Vegas is Vegas is ever changing. So, you know, you're gonna have casinos rebrand. You know, so like I said, I'm excited to see what the Hard Rock's gonna bring. Yeah, the Tropicana closed, and it is pretty much all demoed. I'm not sure when they're going to upload it. But yeah, the whole face of the building is torn off. Now, next time we're down that end of the strip, I'll do a walk by. Sorry for the glare. It's just when you come out from the air conditioning, it glares off. It doesn't. It looks nice. Look.
Yeah.
Great. It's a
Yep. One last walk by from the strip side. Yeah. Oh, I think they're planning on this is like going to start tearing this out.